Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we're going to discuss how to convert from Excel file to a PDF file. So, yesterday, when I was seeing the comments from a video, I came across this comment from one of my viewer stating to please upload a video which converts Excel files to PDF file. So, I have gone to the approach and we can easily convert Excel to PDF. I will not use huge things. In this video, we will use one simple concept, one simple tool, Puppeteer. So, without further ado, let us see the code. So, I will use a const variable. So, I'll be using Puppeteer, where I'll give it as required because we need Puppeteer in this function. After writing that, I'll show you the Excel file which I am going to convert to PDF. Okay, so sample.xlsx is there, right? So I'll be opening that. So this is what our Excel looks like. We have the rank, states, and population. So we'll convert this to a PDF. So now I'll close that. So let us come back to the code. So now we need two things here. We'll use xlsx package for reading Excel file. Since it is xlsx format, xlsx package is really good. And also we require fs file system object. Fine. Now I'll be using describe block and end block to run the test. So I'll be giving the title convert Excel to PDF. Fine. We'll be using it block. It block here. I'll use the same title. I'll be writing a meaningful name. This will be a test case. This will be a title. So now async function I'll be using here. Open bracket, close. What actually I'm doing here is, so direct conversion of Excel to PDF. I've checked many things on online. So what I found easy was the Excel to HTML I have done in my previous video. You can just check it out. It's a few lines of code. I'll be using the same code. From HTML, I'll be deriving the PDF. So I'll be using the transitive property kind of A equal to C, B equal to C, then A equal to C. So indirectly, we'll be converting Excel to PDF, but we'll be doing Excel to HTML, HTML to PDF. Fine. Let's try the code. So I'll be taking a browser, and browser, if you want to convert to PDF, headless should be true. In the sense like browser will not launch physically, you'll be not seeing it on the screen. Headless true in the sense browser will not at all open. All the processes will occur behind the scenes, right? puppeteerVar.launch. So I'm giving a simple arguments. As I stated, headless should be true, and also will give slowMo. That's not required, but yeah, I'll be giving it and we'll be launching a new page, const page equal to await puppeteerVar.newPage. Now I'll specify where my Excel file is, right? So my Excel file is var sample.xlsx. So I'll be writing data path excel to read equal to sample dot. Since I have my file here itself, right? So no need to give absolute path, no need to give a complete path, right? The the program is here itself, so we don't have to give a complete path. We can just keep it like that. Now we'll read the workbook, which workbook we are going to convert. So xlsx which we'll be using dot. So I should get some function called read file where I'll be reading this Excel file. Now this we will read the file and we'll store it into a workbook. Now, so I'll be writing the sheet name too. So if you put wb dot, then comes the property sheet names. I have only one sheet in that, so I'll be reading the first sheet. And now I'll HTML, convert the file to HTML, right? So I'll be writing HTML data. So xlsx dot, if you put dot, we have many properties, utils we have. In that we'll be having sheet to convert to what? So sheet, I'll put underscore 2. You can see CSV, DIF, HTML, JSON, TXT, etc. So direct comparison is not there here in xlsx. So we'll be using a different way indirectly to convert them. So for now, we'll be converting it to HTML and we'll be giving sheet value. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to write sheet value here. Sheet value, what sheets, right? What is the sheet name and what is the sheet value? Okay, so wb dot sheets. So sheets is a thing which takes sheet name as a parameter element. So I'll be writing sheet value here. So now, what we have to do, we got HTML data. So we'll write something. We'll write into a file. So fs I have already declared in the top. So we have write file as a function. In this we'll give excel to html.html, and what content should be there inside it. So this content html data, comma, I'll be writing a function error if function throws an error. That's good mechanism, right? Like always following this concept. So I'll be always console.log here. If error is not there, data is successfully converted. data is successful converted. Now in this file excel.html, now the data is completely converted, right? So we don't have to worry for excel to html. Now we'll take this file and we'll convert into pdf. So for that I'll do what? I'll add await page dot wait for timeout. So once I convert it, right, I want the file to be read properly with HTML data. Then I'll have to open the file in entirely in a browser, but in the headless mode, right? Headless equal true, where we cannot physically see the Chrome browser. So timeout. So let us wait for 3 seconds here. Now I want to open this file, right? I want to open this file. So I'll be telling to go to. So I want, go to. So I want this. So I'll copy the entire thing. We can copy like this. Right click and copy path. But I don't want this file. Just copying the path so that I can alter it again. So in Puppeteer we don't use single slash. We have to use double slash. So desktop, Puppeteer, fine. So sample.xlsx. So I'll be using this one instead of that. So I have to do one thing also. I have to do one more extra argument. I have to tell my browser to wait. Sorry, it's not properly visible. Sorry that. Okay, so I'll tell my Puppeteer to wait. Don't execute another statement until the network becomes idle. In a sense, it's not loading it again, right? So network becomes idle, right? Bracket close. So I'll do what here? I'll have the catch function. Inside the delta function. It's simply a catch error function, right? So we'll be catching any errors if they are. So if it is not loading properly, we'll be writing console.log error while loading. If you're not understanding the steps and all, just pause the video, come from the beginning. It's very easy coding here. Error while loading the file. Now once it is loaded, what I'll do, we have some function, inbuilt function in Puppeteer. So I'll write await page dot. If you put page dot, it comes PDF. So I don't know why it's not stating here. Page.pdf, we have options, Puppeteer options. So first will be the path. We have to specify the path. Again, I have to specify it in arguments. So I'll be giving path. So path, in that path I'll give in quotations dot slash excel to pdf dot pdf. I'll be specifying the format. So let us keep A4 for now. I want the background to be true, and these guys are options. We can give a number of options. If you go online, we can find, like, you can specifically design a PDF with all the options. So for now, I'll be giving this one, right. I just want this to be excel.pdf, and it should be a format, and printing the background should be true. And then afterwards, I'll just close the browser. So I'll be closing the instance of the browser, but physically it won't be on the screen anyway. So browser dot close. So let me just explain the code in Refy. Here we are taking the Puppeteer as Puppeteer var variable, xlsx for Excel reading purposes, and fs for writing to HTML file. Here we have launched the browser but in headless mode. Now we are reading this Excel file, and we're specifying. Here we're giving the path. Here we are reading it, sheet name and sheet value. Here we are converting it to HTML. Then we are putting all this data to excel.html in this file. Then we are launching a browser in headless true. Here we are giving this URL, and we are telling wait until the network is not idle. In a sense, the browser stops loading. At the time, we are telling it to wait, and then we are giving the path to convert it here to Excel to PDF. Fine. Let us run now. In order to run, I have already given package.js in Excel to PDF. Let's come back to Excel to PDF.js file. Now let me run. So now it will start the it block and describe block. The title in this case. Title has now started. So Excel to HTML.html file will be generated now. So yeah, you can see here it is successfully generated and converted data from Excel to HTML. Now Excel to PDF file should be generated here. Yes, so Excel to PDF file is generated. So let me open that file and let me show it to you guys. So this is the PDF file, guys. So we have got rank, states and population, just as we have seen on the Excel file. Let me open the Excel file also so that I can show it to you parallelly. The same Excel file indirectly we have converted to PDF in this tutorial. Yes, Excel has opened. Let me minimize it. The same thing we have converted to PDF, Excel to PDF. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.